So in this question, we have to find which of these following options is going to give us an acidic buffer. So an acidic buffer, as the name suggests, we must have a pH of less than 7. And how it is obtained? It is obtained by adding a weak acid and its salt with a stronger base. So by that we can see that we have these two options available because these two have HCl and these two have bases as well. So if we take this as a stronger base, so let's take this. So if we have two HCl and we have a reaction with CH3COO minus, it's going to give us CH3COONA, and the acidic buffer that will be formed is this. Therefore, our answer is first.